Today I'm going to make the chocolate Popit. So let us begin to make the chocolate Popit. I took a chocolate, it's already melted, so I will put it into the Popit. I'm setting the chocolate with the spoon. Now I'm taking the crushed Oreo biscuit and badam. I will put it into the Popit. See, it's looking very nice. So come on, let us keep it in the freezer. Come on. Now I'm keeping it in freezer for 8 hours. See, it's looking very nice, right? So I'm going to take it one by one. Wow, I'm feeling very nice to take it. Oh, it fallen down. I should have taken it carefully. Oops.